Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me Canon TS9550, and now I'm going to show you how to prevent paper abrasion on this device. And paper abrasion on this device, firstly you should open Settings, then choose Device Settings. Afterwards choose Print Settings and click Prevent Paper Abrasion, and here you can enable it or disable. So what is this? So these settings help to reduce the risk of paper abrasion by adjusting the print head height. So when it enabled, it increases the distance between the print head and the paper to prevent scratches or smudges. So that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye. See you.